Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Learning with Almasi. In today's video, we're making a simple yet flavorful dish beef and cabbage stir fry using just a few basic ingredients you already have at home. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or a meal prep. Let's look at the ingredients. What do we actually need? So, 2 medium onions, 4 ripe tomatoes, 500 grams of beef cut into small pieces, 1 cabbage, a beef cube, which is optional, cooking oil, salt, and of course spices to taste, but that's obviously optional. So we are going to start by heating some oil in a pot and adding our 500 grams of beef and season with a pinch of salt. Let it cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until the beef starts to turn brown and releases its juices. You can add a splash of water to help it cook through if needed. Having sliced your 2 medium-sized onions and chopped your 4 ripe tomatoes, it's time to start cooking. Grab a clean cooking pot and place it over medium heat. Add a generous splash of cooking oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on your preference, and let it heat up for a few seconds. Once the oil is hot, toss in your sliced onions. Stir them gently and allow them to saute until they become soft, fragrant, and slightly golden in color. This definitely creates a flavorful base for your dish. After that, add in your chopped tomatoes, stir them well, and combine with the onions. Then cover the pot and let the mixture simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes break down into a rich, thick sauce. This is where the magic happens. Add your beef cube for an extra boost in flavor. You can also add black pepper, paprika, or curry powder depending on what you like. By now, you have shredded your cabbage. So, once your sauce is rich and the beef is tender, add your shredded cabbage. Mix it well so it soaks up with all those flavors. You can copy me by adding bits and bits as you stir finely. Cover and cook on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want the cabbage soft but not mushy. Afterwards, give it a final mix, taste for salt, and that's it. A beautiful one-pot dish. Juicy beef, tender cabbage, and that rich tomato onion flavor. And there you have it. Beef and cabbage stir fry. That's as easy as it is delicious. Serve it with rice, chapati, and enjoy it as it is. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below telling me how you like to cook cabbage. And of course, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes from Learning with Mercy. See you in the next video.